Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Matrix County in northwestern Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near him.
Wait, there's two.
At 25
So we may have a
miles an
double
hour.
header here.
Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. Trained spotters reported quarter size hail. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennessy, Wacommerce, Drummond, Ames, Bison, and Lacey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in
Beautiful.
Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Garfield County in
So
northern
this, all
Oklahoma, southeastern
these three counties here that are listed on this warning
until 7:30
that just came
p.m.
through,
Central Daylight Time.
they're also under a severe thunderstorm watch.
Daylight time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Ames, moving southeast at 25 miles
Under
an
a
hour.
severe thunderstorm watch.
Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
That's the warning, but
This is a radar indicated
this is a severe
threat.
thunderstorm watch
Trained
here.
spotters reported quarter size hail. The following impacts are expected. People
See,
and
severe
animals
thunderstorm
outdoors will
watch.
be
So
injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
So yeah, if I get any alerts, which I probably will, I'll record them for you. Whether they're here on my iPhone or on this iPad, I'll get them recorded for you. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.